No feedback arose yet. I accept cookies first, then focus the search field and type a strong starting guess. Inception, a popular movie with distinctive attributes. I wait for the drop-down suggestions to appear before selecting. Type card is green for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with arrow down, meaning target is older than 2010, more than 2 years off, so before 2008. Rating 8.8 is yellow with arrow down, so target rating is within 0.5 lower, roughly 8.3 to 8.7. No genres highlighted: green, action, adventure, sci-fi, all gray. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints: movie, released before 2008, IMDb around 8.3-8.7, not necessarily action/adventure/sci-fi, not Nolan/DiCaprio. Avoid repeating Inception. Type is green, target medium equals movie. Year 2010 red with down arrow means target is older before 2008. Rating 8.8 yellow down arrow means target rating tilde 8.3-8.7. No genre/actor/director overlap. I'll guess Pulp Fiction 1994, IMDb 8.9, actually 8.9, but its rating may be too high. A better fit is The Dark Knight, which shares Nolan, but Nolan didn't highlight, so avoid Nolan. Pulp Fiction 1994 fits older, rating 8.9 is borderline. I'll go with it to probe crime genre and different era. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1994 is red with down arrow, so target is older than 1994, before 1992. Rating 8.9 is yellow with down arrow, so target rating is within 0.5 lower, roughly 8.4-8.8. Genres: drama is green, target has drama. Crime is gray, not on target. No actor overlap: Travolta, Thurman, Jeff, and all gray. Director: Tarantino, gray. Constraints: movie, before 1992, rating tilde 8.4-8.8, has drama genre, not crime. Candidates like The Godfather 1972, 9.2 too high, Schindler's List 1993 too new, 12 Angry Men, Goodfellas 1990, but crime. Forrest Gump is 1994. Consider The Shawshank Redemption is 1994. Better, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, 8.7, drama. Avoid Pulp Fiction. Type green, target medium equals movie. Year 1994 red down arrow means target before 1992. Rating 8.9 yellow down arrow means target tilde 8.4-8.8. Drama is green, target has drama. Crime gray, not on target. So target is a pre-1992 drama movie, rating 8.4-8.8, not crime. The Godfather is 1972 but crime plus drama and rating 9.2 too high, and it's crime so likely wrong. Better candidate: Schindler's List is 1993. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975 drama 8.7 fits well. I'll type Godfather first to probe, but actually let me reconsider, crime is excluded, so Godfather wrong. I'll change to a pure drama. Let me search Cuckoo instead. Type card is green for The Godfather, movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1972 is red with up arrow, so target is newer than 1972, but earlier row said before 1992, so target is between 1972 and 1992, more than 2 years from 1972, meaning after 1974. Rating 9.2 is red with down arrow, so target rating is more than 0.5 lower than 9.2 combined with earlier tilde 8.4-8.8, so roughly 8.4-8.7. Genres: drama green, target has drama. Crime gray, not crime. No actor overlap: Brando, Pacino, Con gray. Director: Coppola, gray. Constraints: movie, year tilde 1975-1991, rating tilde 8.4-8.7, drama yes, crime no. Candidates: One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, 8.7, Star Wars 1977, 8.6, but not drama. Avoid The Godfather, Pulp Fiction, Inception. Type green, target medium equals movie. Year 1972 red up arrow means target newer than 1972, but earlier 1994 was red down, so target before 1992, so tilde 1975-1991. Rating 9.2 red down arrow means target rating notably lower, tilde 8.4-8.7. Drama green, crime gray, not crime. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, IMDb 8.7, drama fits all constraints well. I search Cuckoo to select it. Type card is green for One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1975 is red with up arrow, so target is newer than 1975, more than 2 years off, so after 1977, combined with earlier constraint before 1992, target is tilde 1978-1991. Rating 8.7 is yellow with down arrow, so target rating is within 0.5 lower, roughly 8.2-8.6. Genres: drama green, target has drama. No actor overlap: Nicholson, Fletcher, Berman, gray. Director: Milos Forman, gray. Constraints: movie, year tilde 1978-1991, rating tilde 8.2-8.6, drama yes. Candidates: Back to the Future 1985, 8.5 but sci-fi/comedy, not drama. Raiders of the Lost Ark, Once Upon a Time in America 1984, 8.3 but crime. Aliens, Amadeus 1984, 8.4, drama. Amadeus fits very well. Avoid prior titles. Type green, target medium equals movie. Year 1975 red up arrow means target newer than 1977, combined with before 1992, so tilde 1978-1991. Rating 8.7 yellow down arrow means target tilde 8.2-8.6. Only drama genre shown green. No actor/director overlap. Amadeus 1984, IMDb 8.4, drama fits all constraints. Selecting it. The drop-down previously didn't register my selection, so I wait longer for suggestions to load before the next batch picks the row. Type card is green for Amadeus a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year shows an up arrow target newer than 1984. Rating card has an up arrow this time, so target rating is higher than Amadeus 8.4. Genres, drama green target has drama, biography and music gray not on target. Actors F. Murray Abraham, Tom Hulse, Elizabeth Berridge all gray. Director Milos Forman gray. The pixelated poster shows a figure that could be a person against dark/colorful background. Constraints. Movie. Year between 1985 and 1991 newer than Amadeus but before 1992. Rating higher than 8.4 so tilde 8.5-8.7. Drama yes, not biography/music. Candidates. Cinema Paradiso 1988, 8.5. Drama. Dead Poets Society 1989, 8.1. Goodfellas 1990. Crime excluded. Back to the Future not drama. Cinema Paradiso fits well. Type green. Target medium equals movie. Year 1984 red with up arrow means target is newer than 1986 combined with before 1992, so tilde 1987-1991. Rating 8.4 yellow up arrow means target rating higher, tilde 8.5-8.7. Drama green, biography/music gray. The dropdown is empty, select a movie or TV series. I click the field and type Cinema Paradiso 1988, IMDb 8.5, drama which fits all constraints. Waiting for suggestions before next batch selects the row. Solved it in 6 guesses. The answer was Nuovo Cinema Paradiso from 1990. The type card stayed green, confirming a movie throughout, while the year arrows narrowed me from before 1992 up toward the late 80s, and the rating settling around 8.5 with the green drama genre pointed me straight to this beloved Italian classic. A satisfying solve thanks to those year and rating arrows plus the drama clue.